Hello guys, Joshua McClintock here for BBC Collector. We are doing an unboxing of the Doctor Who Personalize Your Sonic Screwdriver set. As you can see, it comes with 3 sonic screwdrivers. It says that there are over 80 possible combinations. So, I'm going to go ahead and open this and we will check it out. Well, real quick, here's the instructions. There's an emitter, a control section, a hand grip, and a pommel. It says there's 12 parts. Let's see here. Putting the power unit, see back page for step 1 and 2. Alright. Now I feel it's worth noting that while we have 3 sonic screwdrivers, this is the part that makes the light and the sounds. So you only have one of these, so even though you can build 3 sonic screwdrivers, only one of them is going to make noise, unless you buy a different set. This is obviously where you have your buttons to control. It goes against the button on the sound thing. So I'm going to take and I'm going to build one. And I'm going to take the different pieces one by one and build it for you guys. As I hopefully don't break it. It's kind of like a basic look to mine. So you can build these, as it said, about 80 different combinations you can do. Not so sure I'm completely satisfied with this one, but I like it. Plus it's got the push button. So there you have it. It's not like the other ones, like the one that's exclusively the Matt Smith one that's all just put together, the part that pops open here. But it is kind of fun to go ahead and put together your own sonic screwdriver with a look like this. So overall, pretty good, especially if you're into cosplaying and whatnot. You can make your own individual sonic screwdriver out of the different parts. So, thank you guys for watching. If you like what you see, go ahead and like this video below. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section below. This video will be posted on the BBC Collector blogspot page, as well as right here for you guys to enjoy. Share this video if you think your friends will like it, and we will see you soon. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day. Hey guys, sorry for the fake out there. I'm back. It's amazing what you can find out when you play with this thing as you were getting ready to edit the video and upload it. I'm going to turn out the lights because it's a little bit easier to see the different lights with this thing, but I found out that when we were playing with it on the video, you have the two different sounds. So let's turn out the lights. I'm going to show you something really cool. Now, if you click it once, you can hear that. Click it twice, hear that. Double click. Triple click. 4 clicks. Now that's 5. 6 clicks. 7 clicks. 8 clicks. I think I got it to do 9 clicks. Let's see if it makes a different one with 9. Oh, same one. So you can play around with it. There's different clicks that you can do on it. It'll make different noises. It does beep as well. It gives like a 1 beep sound, and I haven't figured out how to do that yet, but I thought that was really cool that if you click around, it'll make different noises and different light pulses. So, just something I wanted to share before the video goes live, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Stay tuned for more from BBC Collector.